longtime CNBC viewers may not even realize CNBC stands for the Consumer News and Business Channel. We talk a lot about the economy, we talk a lot about stocks, but let's not forget about you, the small business owner out there, which are really the backbone of the United States. And now millions of you are no doubt struggling. So let's focus on that, the consumer and the business side of the story from two angles. And we're going to begin with this. Huntington Bank CEO Steve Stein will join us now, and they are the #1 maker of small business loans in the United States. Steve, welcome. I wish we had you on under better circumstances. Obviously, you are right there in the heart of Virginia, West Virginia, Kentucky, Ohio, that entire region, the heartbeat of America as far as I'm concerned. What are you seeing? Are we going to be able to get these rescue loans processed from the government? Because a lot of small businesses seem very frustrated.
We will absolutely get these loans processed. We're open for business now. We're getting applications, typically one every couple of seconds. We have a team that is working throughout the night. Again, we'll be working 7 days a week with our colleagues from now through June 30th. We will do absolutely as much as we can to help small businesses survive and get through this crisis and better days ahead.
Yeah, and where do we stand in the process? Do you feel like, Steve, that your bank and you and your team has gotten enough guidance from Treasury and the federal government to make this work efficiently?
We have received very substantial guidance from Treasury and SBA as of last night, and we are prepared and certainly positioned to execute against that. There are a couple of areas where there are questions, but I would say 95, 98% of what we will see by way of applications, we can process, and we'll do that very efficiently. Increasingly, we'll be able to scale this business and further automate as we go forward. So we're expecting to be in a position to start funding early next week and take care of customers who are applying tonight and throughout the weekend.
Now, are these, I don't know if you'd know this, Steve, I'm going to put you on the spot a bit. Are these mostly Huntington customers already, or are these new people that are coming in that you have not transacted with prior?
At the moment, most of our application flow is from existing customers. We have a Know Your Customer requirement. It's part of the Bank Secrecy Act, Anti-Money Laundering Act, that we are required to make sure we have knowledge of who we're doing business with. And so that favors existing customers for us and all the other banks. So we'll take applications from non-customers. What we're encouraging them to do is to apply directly to their bank where they have a primary relationship, because they've already cleared these Know Your Customer requirements. Respectively, those banks are in a position to process the application just as we are with our customer base.
That is really interesting, and I think it answers a question for our next interview as well. But Stephen Stein, I'm going to let you guys get back to work here. I know you guys probably working all night, but small businesses appreciate it. Steve, come back soon and let us know how everything's going. Best to you and your family.
Thank you for your coverage and interest.